Hey there, this is Shweta. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Mailerlite landing page and how you can create an automation to send out an email when someone signs up on your landing page. So that is something you're interested in, keep watching. If you're looking for an end-to-end Mailerlite tutorial, I do have one here. It is pretty comprehensive, so do check it out. I'll link it above and below in the description. But if you're specifically looking to create a landing page in Mailerlite, this video is for you. Also, if you're new here on this channel, we talk all about starting and growing an online business. So if that is something you're interested in, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, so we are now looking at creating our landing page in Mailerlite. So I'm inside my Mailerlite platform. Again, if you haven't signed up for Mailerlite, you'll find a link in the description to sign up for a free account on Mailerlite. And the reason why I think Mailerlite is like a really great tool, especially if you're just getting started online or if you don't want to spend money on a paid email platform, is because Mailerlite offers the landing page feature as part of the free plan. So you can create a landing page and start building your email list for free. Now, in order to get started with building the landing page, you want to make sure you have a free lead magnet to offer to your audience. So, a free ebook or a guide or a workbook to get them to sign up for your email list. So on the landing page, you're going to collect their emails and then you're going to send them an email with whatever it is that you're offering for free. So it could be an ebook, it could be a worksheet, checklist, mini course, anything of that sort. So we are going to create the landing page, we are going to create the thank you page, and then I'll also show you how to set up the email that goes out when someone signs up on your landing page. So the first step here is to go under sites. So inside MailerLite, we are under sites, and here I'm going to click on create landing page, and then you want to make sure you're naming the landing page right, so that in the future when you have multiple landing pages, it's easier for you to find the right landing page. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just doing an example of a launch kit that I'm offering for free to anyone who signs up on my landing page. So save and continue. And on the next page, basically, you'll have to select a subscriber group. So a subscriber group is a group of people who are interested in kind of the same topic. So I have already created a subscriber group called Launch Kit. You can do that under subscribers. There's an option called groups. You can create a subscriber group right there. What this helps me do is like, I create this landing page. Now, everyone who signs up on that landing page will be added to this subscriber group. So I know that these are the people that are interested in launches or launch kit, etc. So in the future, if I'm selling something or I'm offering something for free that's around the same topic, I can directly reach out to these people. So I'm going to select that subscriber group and hit save and continue. And then on the next page, you basically select a template. Now, MailerLite is great in the sense that there are tons of different templates available. A lot of these templates are long form pages like sales pages, etc. So you want to make sure you are creating something that's not very long, because with the landing page, the best way to create a landing page is to have your call to action, so like the sign up now kind of button above the fold. So what I mean by that is you want to show that sign up button before someone scrolls down. So that sign up button should be visible somewhere here before they scroll down. So there shouldn't be any need to scroll down for someone to sign up. So it should be very straightforward and just have one call to action. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete all of these because I want to create a very simple page. If you want, you could use any of the templates, especially if you want to create a long form landing page, but I would highly recommend not creating a long form landing page because short form landing pages are really easy to create and they work well as well. So just deleting all of this. And wow, this is a huge page. Okay. Okay, let's go. I think we're there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under blocks and I'm going to choose sign up form and drag it here. And then I'm going to hit edit and I want to include media because I want to include an image here and I also want to include text. So this is the simplest form of a landing page where you have an image that talks about the lead magnet you're offering and some text which is a call to action of sorts to, it's like an actionable text that you're asking them to sign up for the free thing, and then this is a call to action button and you're asking for the email address. You could also kind of ask for their email, uh, for their name if you wanted to. So along with the email address you could also ask for their name. Right now I'll just leave it like this, but that is an option as well. So I'm going to add the image here. Just click on here and you can hit browse, and I haven't uploaded an image. This is the image. It's a mockup that I've created in Canva. So I'm just using this image. So this is a mockup. And I want to, let's see, edit the image. Okay, I think this is fine. I'm just going to save it. And then here, I'm just going to say, get started with your uh, launch easily by using this done for you launch kit. Sign up below to get access now. So this is the text, and here I want to change this button to, let's see, sign up. Oops. So under form, here is the button, and I'm just gonna edit and say sign up now. And the button action, it'll take whoever is signing up them to the success page, which is the thank you page, which you can create here. Or if you want to redirect them to a Facebook group or your Instagram, you could also do that. So you could just use redirect and put in the URL of where you want to redirect them to. I'm just going to use the success page and create a thank you page as well. And then fields, if you wanted to add a field, like I said, you could add name here, and then you want to make sure name is always first. Generally, that's how it is in most forms. So you just, make sure do that. And you could do this. So the labels appear above the box, or you could just keep it inside. I like it this way, so I'll leave it here. And then under settings you could add like a privacy policy. This generally helps, and then you can link your website's privacy policy here by, like, just clicking on this, and this uh, kind of text pops up. You could just select this and add a link. So this is a link. You could just insert a link to your website's privacy policy if you have one. So this is good to make sure you're adhering to GDPR requirements and anything else that's required in your country. So I'm going to go back to the form edit. You could also add an image here, add a video here instead of an image. So again, like, if you want to make the image clickable, you could add a link here as well. if you want to add all text to the image, which kind of helps show up on search, you could do that. You could change the alignment. Doesn't really matter right now because our image itself is on the left. Okay, and let's see. Okay, that's the image. Let's go back here. We updated the form fields, so you can do all that here. Under settings, this is just like a card thing. I don't know. I just like it this way better, so I'm just going to keep that. Block ratio, if you want to like keep these two blocks equal, you could do that. And if you wanted to make the image bigger, you could just use media. I'm just going to keep equal. You can change the background, you can change the font style here, you could change the color of the font here. Again, you could add your brand color, so add the hex code for your brand color, and then on hovering, what is the background you want. So this is how it's going to be. I'm just going to keep this. Again, this is according to your brand, so you could do that. And then if you want to apply these changes to all blocks, you could say yes, like the text and everything. I don't want to, so I'm just keeping this as is. If you want to change the content width, you could do this. I'm just checking what this black thing is here. If I could, okay, so that's our form. I'm gonna save and save as draft here. Again, you can also publish this form. I'm using like a demo account that's still not approved, so I just saved it as a draft. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the page settings page. Here, if you have a custom domain which is only available in the premium plan, you can choose that. Or you could just or you could update the URL. So I'm just going to call this launch ready kit, so that if someone goes to this page, they can see launch ready kit, and that makes sense. The favicon, again, you can't change because that's not available on the free plan. If you're on a paid plan, definitely choose an image for the favicon. This is basically what the favicon is. So the green thing here for Mailerlite, that's the favicon. You can use your business logo here. And then SEO settings, if you want to, if you want this page to show up on Google search. So if someone searches for a launch ready kit, for example, my page might show up. So always make sure that you're filling out these details. It just helps. You could add keywords here: launch kit, launching, and then you can add a page description: free launch ready kit. I'm just going to add something random here. Okay, and then if you want this to show up in search, you can just check this box, save and continue. And then here, like I said, I haven't been approved yet. It's a demo account, but make sure you're enabling double opt-in, which basically means when someone signs up, they will receive an email to confirm their opt-in. Again, in the US, this is not a legal requirement, but it really helps keep your email list clean, because only if someone is really interested, they will basically sign up. You can create a split test, like test between two different landing pages. Again, not needed right now. And then it shows you all of the details here. And then under automation, this is where you can set up your email that goes out. Before doing that, let's go back and kind of create the thank you page. We haven't done that yet. So I just clicked on that landing page and hit edit, and it'll take me here. I'm going to click here on the success page. And again, you can just I'm just gonna maybe like just add some image and text and say, thank you for subscribing. So just add an image. I'm just adding this one right now, but you can add your image or like something else. You could also add, let's go back to this thing. Okay, not the image. I want to go back. I'm just going to save this for now. So under blocks, you also have the option to add a survey, a quiz, an event. You could also add your Instagram feed. I think this is only for the paid account, but there are different things that you could add here. I'm just going to add text here and just say, thank you for signing up. Please check your email for access. So just so they know that they have to like go to the email and check it to get the access. So I'm going to add that here and then save as a draft. So this is a thank you page. We created our landing page and the thank you page. The one thing that I want to show you here is how you can create that first email that goes out when someone signs up. So that email will have this launch ready kit or like a link to access the kit. So under automation, you want to create a workflow. So what this does is you're going to say when someone signs up on this landing page. So when they basically sign up on this launch kit, you want to send them an email, and then you can create the email here. So I'll just say here's your launch ready kit. Oh, this was the subject line. Sorry. I'm just going to add the subject line. Oops. Okay. Let me copy this and paste this here. This is the subject line. This is just an internal name. My audience is not going to see this. So, uh, and then who is it from? So it's going to be Shweta and Shweta at digital products that sell. This has to be a verified email address in Mailerlite. And then you'll design the email content. It's going to take you to campaigns and email designer here. So you'll have to basically create your email here. So I'm just going to create the email. And I'm just going to say, hey, here's your uh, free launch kit. So again, just going to remove all this text because I don't want like so much happening in the email. So I'm just going to say, here's the launch ready kit. And then this, which is like a button, I will so download here. That's what I'm going to say. And then the link is going to be a link to Google Drive where I have all the templates and everything that I'm giving them for free. So this was going to be like a Google Drive link. And then I'm going to save it here and then just delete all of this. And then this is something that you will need in your email, at least the address, the physical mailing address is really important, as well as the unsubscribe link. So this is going to be the email. Again, you can edit it for your based on the content that you want in the email. But that's the email. Let's go back to our automation. I think since I created the email from the workflow, it's going to take me back to the workflow. So here we are. So when someone signs up, they will receive this email. Now, once they receive this email, you can also do multiple things. You can say, okay, I want to wait for like a day. So after they receive the email, I will wait for 1 day. And after that, I will see if they have opened the email or not. So I will use campaign activity. This is a campaign. I just have a campaign. Let's see. So I chose workflow activity here, and then uh, this is my email. So if someone uh, opened the email, so let's say someone opened the email, let's say this. So if they open the email, I want to send them another email, and this could be like, you create like a list of like 4 or 5 emails that you want to send out one after the other. So you can create another email here, and if they did not open the email, I want to send them another, like a different email, right? So depending on whether or not they open this email, you could send them a different email based on whether or not they open, and you could create like a very detailed workflow of different emails, etc. But again, our goal here is to make sure you have at least that first email ready to go out when they sign up, because that's why they're signing up for your email list. So I'm just going to save this here. It's not going to let me save because I don't have these emails, but I'm just going to go back. So this is my automation here. So now anyone who signs up on the launch ready landing page, they will be taken to the thank you page, and they'll also receive an email with the launch kit in link in the email. I hope this makes sense. Easiest way to get started with building your email list is using this simple process to get someone to sign up by offering something for free and then sending them an email with the free stuff. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. And if you have any requests about tutorials, also let me know. I'd love to create tutorials that are helpful to you. And again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please, please, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.